Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with Rihanna. Never thought I'd say this name, bro. Rihanna, Lift Me Up. That's the title of the song. Never thought I'd be reacting to a Rihanna song, because Rihanna hasn't got a song since Diamond. That was like 9 years ago, if me remember right. So I would never thought I'd be reacting to a song from Rihanna 9 years later. Big up yourself, mama. If you're back, you're back. You know, so you're the queen already. Queen of the Caribbean. So we're gonna jump in. I wanna see what mama is saying, because we haven't seen her for so long. So let's go. I'm excited about this one. The R.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep.
Rihanna, like, why all of this absence? What happened to your fans then? Like, people miss you, Rihanna. Like, where you been, girl? Like, people miss you, mama. People miss you from the music scene. Where you did that? Where you do? Where you did with? Rihanna, come on, girl. Rihanna is back, bro.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down.
This is scenes from Wakanda, right? So this song is deeper than what meets the eye. Are what you like. There's so much meaning in this song. I'm sure a lot of them is gonna go over my head, but I'm trying my best to try and figure out what is going on, bro. Cause Rihanna, it's just amazing to hear Rihanna sing a new song. It's like, this amazing, bro.
Hold it down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea, take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe and sound.
Let me feel every word up. Like, this song make me, I don't know. I'm getting a bit emotional as what my friend, my original sense. Yeah, that's what she would be like. Yeah. So yeah, I'll get to that
Be
thing.
safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me
the world needed a song like this. Like the world needed a song like this. Rihanna, with like, yo, me hear, me feel every note, bro. Like every note. I'm gonna say like since the past 10 years, she not drop a song, and me tell her say yo like me feel every word like so. Yo, Rihanna is back, bro. Rihanna is back to stay. So big her up. This song is really, it's really, it does send chills. You know what I mean? So, yeah. This time I'm gonna leave the one at the door. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright.